Hi, today we're talking about the string class. So before we talk about the string class, let's talk about the two different types of variables out there. There is a primitive variable, and then there is another type of variable called a class type variable. Primitive variable, for example, our int number variable right here of the int data type, integer data type, actually will hold the value of 19. What makes a class type variable different, for example, this string variable of str shoebox, this is different because it does not hold the string of Java. What it holds is a memory address that points to this string Java right here. So that's what makes a class type variable different from a regular primitive variable. Also notice that when I declare this this string variable, that I'm using the keyword string here, and since it is a class type variable, this S for string is capitalized. So we'll get into more about objects and classes later, but keep in mind that whenever you do create a string variable, you do have to capitalize the keyword string here. Okay, so once you create a string variable, that string variable has access to a few very useful methods. One of the methods is the toUpperCase method. So for example, let's say we create a string variable right here called str_shoebox. We put the string Java into this variable. We can alter Java right here, make all of those letters uppercase by using this method. So you'd say str_shoebox.toUpperCase, and it would take whatever is in here, whatever's in the str_shoebox variable, so Java in lowercase, and it would then return this right here. Return the string of Java all uppercase. Likewise, or vice versa, the to lowercase does the exact opposite of that. We've got another method here called char_at, and this actually returns a data type. So you could have your variable str_shoebox, and you would say .char_at, and then you would give it a number in here, an integer. And so what this is saying is, hey, look at position 2 for this string of text and return whatever character is at position 2. Now in Java, keep in mind that things are a little bit different. You always start out, the first character is always at position 0. So J would be at 0, A would be at position 1, and then V would be at position 2. So this statement right here would actually return the value of V. It would return the character type of V. Next up is the length method. This method right here just returns the length of your string. So for example, if I did str_shoebox.length, it would return the value of 4. Now keep in mind, whenever you use this, it's going to return an integer, so you have to set it equal to an integer variable. So this right here, this length method would return a value of 4, and that 4 would get put into int number. So if we do a demo program here, and the code is provided for you, here we are. Let's see what's going on in this code. So we declare a main string variable for str_shoebox. So I'm declaring str_shoebox, and I'm putting the following string in there. Tropic Thunder was a horrible movie. And then I'm going to declare other variables and use the string methods. So right here, I'm using the str_shoebox.toUpperCase method. So I'm going to take all of the text in here. I'm going to make it all uppercase, and it's going to go into this string variable called str_upperCase that I just created. Right here, I'm doing the same thing with str_shoebox. I'm taking whatever's in there and I'm making it all lowercase, and that's going to go into this string variable. Right here, I'm declaring a character data type variable called char single letter. And I'm going to take whatever's at the 5th position in this string of text. So that would be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this C right here is what would be returned into this this variable. Right here, I've got int shoebox size equals str_shoebox length. So this length method here is going to count up all of the characters in here, and it's going to return whatever number that is into this variable. And right here, all I'm doing is just printing these variables to the screen. So if I right click on here, if I go run file, Here we are. So notice that the first thing that it prints is Tropic Thunder was a horrible movie. The second thing that it prints is Tropic Thunder was a horrible movie, and this makes it all uppercase. This right here makes everything lowercase. Here we are. Right here returns C, position 5, and this method right here returns the length of this entire string, which is 36. So, hope this demonstration helped you out, and we'll talk to you next time.